Hi and welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a MetaMask wallet. Now, a MetaMask wallet is simply a cryptocurrency wallet that can be used on a internet browser such as Chrome and Firefox. And it is a simple browser plugin that serves as an Ethereum wallet. So what that means is users can store Ethereum or any other tokens which is Ethereum based in their MetaMask wallet. The wallet also can be used to interact with decentralized applications. Now, whether you are an experienced or whether you're totally new to the blockchain technology, the MetaMask will help you connect to decentralized webs. And as it says there, it is just a simple crypto wallet and a gateway to the blockchain applications. But not only that, the MetaMask wallet also is one of the safest ways to buy, store, send and swap any tokens that is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the easiest way to install your MetaMask wallet is head over to metamask.io, and this is where you'll be taken to this page here. Now, from this page, there's got lots of information, and I do encourage you to read through them. And it just gives you a brief overview. Now, as you can see, you've got your buy, store and send. It just gives you explore the blockchain applications, your own data, which will show you when we set up. There's some buttons there on how to get started, which we'll come back to. There's a video there explaining more about MetaMask, and there is the key for the blockchain applications. So as it's telling you there, it provides essential utility for the blockchain newcomers, traders and gamers and developers. And them are the various applications. And if you're just scrolling down all the way there, they've actually got a shop. You can sign up for newsletters and all the information at the bottom there. So, you can learn more about it. You can get involved with some of the applications, and there's the connect for to social medias, and there's the legal pages. So let's install the application. So just scrolling back up, what we need to do, you can either click the download, or we'll just go download MetaTask, and we'll get a little wave off the Fox, where it'll take you to your to this page here. Now you have the three options. Now if you're scrolling down, I mentioned before, it's supported by the browsers Chrome, Firefox, Brave and Edge. Unfortunately, at this moment in time, it's not supported by Safari, but you do have the option for the iOS and the Android. So I'm currently on the Google Chrome. So all I'm going to do now is install the MetaMask for Chrome, where it will open my web browser for my extensions, and taking it to there. So there we go there, look. And all I'm going to simply do is just click add to Chrome. Now from here, what we need to do is, once you're happy with that, just add extension. And as you can see, the extension's just downloading, and it's just checking. And there we go. There is our MetaMask now installed. I'll just bring the screen down, and that should be added to our extension. Now, if I just refresh the page, there we go. There we see our little MetaMask there. Now, what we need to do now is to get started and get set up. So all we do is just click get started. And the first thing that we need to do is, if you've already got an account on the left, as it's saying there, you would just import your wallet. But we have no account, so what we're going to do is just click create an account. Check all of the important information there, and once you're happy, again, I would encourage you to read the privacy policy and just click agree. And then what it's going to ask you for now is a password, and make sure your password is very secure. So I'm just going to paste in a password. I'm going to confirm. Again, I'd encourage you to read the terms of use. Once you're happy, select the option and create. Now what we need to do is create a secret backup phrase. Now again, this is very important. You can do it later, but what we're going to do is we'll do it now. So what I'm going to do is just click here to reveal the secret word, and then what will happen is it will reveal secret words. So if you ever were to lose your password or you would need to reinstall, then it would always ask for these secret words. Again, make sure you keep these safe and nobody gets access to these. So as it's saying, you know, never disclose the backup phrase. So what I'm going to do now is just copy those, and then I'm going to select next. Now what I'm going to do, once I've copied them, I'm just going to paste them onto a Word document. And then once I've done that, I am then going to select each phrase as it's asking there in order to make sure that it is correct. So I'm just going to pause the video and do that. Okay, so that is my secret backup phrase now all selected in the order that you were given. Once you've done that, then all we do is just click confirm. And that's it. Congratulations, you are all done. So all we need to do now is select the all done button, and you're presented with this pop-up here where, you know, if you're a mobile user and you've got QR codes, you can scan the QR code to get the app, and just some further information about staying secure. And, you know, you do have an option to start a survey. But for now, all I'm going to do is just click the close button, and you'll be taken to your MetaMask dashboard, which is here. Now, firstly, just take note here, because what is created is you have a MetaMask wallet extension icon, which will be placed on your toolbars, which is here. Now, once we've done the settings, every time you access it now, if I just click on it from there, that is how you will see it there, and I'll show you that in a moment. But firstly, let's just have a look and let's get your settings done. So from your dashboard, just click on the icon here, and from the drop down you have a number of different options. As you can see there, you can import accounts, you can create other accounts, and also if you have hard wallets, you can connect to a hard wallet. Here you have a great support page, so if you just click the page, it'll open up a new tab, and all the support that you may need will be all in there. Now what I'm going to do is we need to go to settings, and from settings you'll be taken to the settings tab where all of your setting controls are here. Now in the general, you have the option here to change into your currency. By default it will be US dollar. If you're from the UK, you can change it to Great British Pound, so on and so forth. I'm just going to leave it at the default for now, which is US dollar. Here you've got your primary currency, so whatever your currency, whatever your balance is within your Meta wallet, then you know, whatever you see it in, you can either see it in Ethereum or you can see it in fiat, which is the currency of your choice. And here you've got your language, so you know there's a great selection of different languages there, and there you have your general, so advanced. So just going on to there again, just make sure you read through them and set them to your own needs. You can download a state log if you want. You can synchronize with the mobile. Here, if you want to just totally reset your account, you can just set it by there. And what we have here is advanced gas controls. Now, once you start using the MetaMask, sometimes you may see the fees are quite high. So you might want to just click that on so you can have control of what fees, etc., and you can actually see them. Here you've got your contacts, which is quite good, so you can build a list. This is quite handy because if you are trading or swapping coins with friends or family or people that you know, you can just add them to your contact list, and it saves time swapping wallet addresses, etc. You have your security and privacy here, where you can reveal your seed phrase. Again, just set these to your own needs. By default, they're all set it on. I would recommend just to leave them at default. For your alerts, again, by default, I would just leave them as on. Here you have your network, and these are the networks that you are connected. As you can see there, we're on the main net of Ethereum, and if we have a look at our MetaMask, which we'll show you later, this is where you will find out what network that you are connected to. And then, of course, if you go to the About, this will tell you what version of the MetaMask you're on and all of the links to the privacy, terms and conditions, and so on and so forth. So that is within your settings. So just go back to the dashboard. And now we're really ready to buy, send, and swap any Ethereum-based tokens or any ERC20 tokens. Now, to buy, send, and swap on your MetaMask, you would see the buttons in front of you here. Now, when we come back in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you would do it using your little icon here. And it's pretty much exactly the same, but it's on a smaller version. So all you would simply do, I'll just close that for now, is if you want to buy Ethereum, then you have two options. You would click the buy. Now you have the option here to continue to wire. Now if you continue to wire, as it's saying there, you follow the steps and you must pay by credit card. Or what you can do is directly deposit Ethereum from any cryptocurrency wallets that you may have, for example, Coinbase. So what you do is just click view. Now once you click view, this here is your MetaMask Ethereum wallet address, and all you do, you just copy this and then you would send the funds directly to this address here, and it would form into your MetaMask. Now as you can see here, you can view it on Ethereum Scan. Now what we're going to do is on the Ether Scan, we're going to look at that in the next video because it's very useful. So that is how you would buy or deposit funds into your MetaMask. To send, exactly the same. You just click the send, and all you would do there is, if you have set up any contacts, that would automatically come up, or you would just paste the address in there and then you would send it. And to swap, again, just select on the swap and it will come up there. So we're swapping from Ethereum. From the drop down box here, you just choose whatever coin you wanted to swap for, or any tokens, sorry. So if you were, for example, on Uniswap, you just select it there. And underneath, as you can see there, it's verified on 8 sources. And always confirm the token address on Etherscan. And again, as I mentioned there, we're going to look at that in the next video. So that is how to buy, send, and swap on Ethereum. To add token, exactly the same. You just select the add token. And if you wanted to add token, you can either customize it. So you'd put the token address, the symbol would come up, or you can either search for the token there. So if I was to search, for example, BAT, you know, you would just click on there and then you would click next, and then that's how you would add your token by selecting there. And again, these are quite useful to know because sometimes you can get some free tokens on airdrops and things like that, which will go onto the Etherscan, and you can add them in and that's how you would add them to your MetaMask. So now what we're going to do is add the Polygon network to our MetaMask, so we can then start using the Polygon blockchain in order to sell our NFTs. So to do that, we just select on the drop down menu here and then simply click Add Network. Now from here you will need to add in the particular network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, and the currency symbol, which will all be underneath the link in this video. So I'm just going to add in the network name, and it is just straightforward Polygon. So that's the network. I'm going to paste the URL in here, the chain ID, which is 137, and the symbol is Matic. And then all we need to do now is click Save. And that is it. That is now the Polygon now added to our network on your MetaMask. And this is your account address wallet. This is the address that you need to put into your wallet ID on OpenSea and any time that you will use MetaMask. Okay, that is it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video.